We've all been there, sitting through long traditional training sessions only to forget most of what we learned by the time we get back to our desks. Here's the truth. People learn best by doing. That's why hands-on training has become the gold standard for teaching new skills, especially in today's fast-paced digital workplace. In this video, we'll break down what hands-on training is, why it's so effective, and how your organization can implement it successfully to drive real results. Hands-on training is a learning method where employees gain knowledge by actively engaging with the tools, systems, or processes they need to master. Instead of passively listening to instructions, they're immersed in real-world tasks, learning by doing. Whether it's interactive software tutorials, role-playing exercises, or on-the-job practice, hands-on training ensures that skills aren't just learned, they're also retained. Why does hands-on training work so well? It taps into active learning, which boosts engagement, improves retention, and accelerates skill development. Number one, better knowledge retention. Studies show that people remember 70% of what they do compared to just 10% of what they hear in lectures. Number two, real-time problem solving. Hands-on training mirrors real work scenarios, helping employees develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. And lastly, number three, faster onboarding and time to proficiency. Employees become proficient faster when they learn through practical task-based experiences. Research has shown that hands-on training is significantly more effective than traditional learning types. In the 1980s, 3 researchers surveyed 191 executives to recall pivotal career events and asked them to self-report how they acquired skills. It found that 70% of learning resulted from on-the-job experiences and hands-on learning, 20% from developmental relationships and social learning, and 10% from formal training and traditionally structured learning programs. This has become known as the 70-20-10 model and is the foundation of why hands-on training is now essential in modern L&D frameworks. While hands-on training is powerful, it comes with its own set of challenges, starting with resource intensive. It can be time-consuming and may require dedicated trainers or specialized environments. Scaling across teams, providing consistent hands-on experiences across large distributing teams can be difficult. And employee resistance. Some employees may feel overwhelmed when thrown into new systems without significant guidance. But the good news? With the right tools and strategies, these challenges can be overcome. So, how do you create a hands-on training program that's engaging, scalable, and effective? Here are some best practices to get you started. Number one, integrate training into the flow of work. Training shouldn't be separate from daily tasks. In-app guidance tools like Whatfix allows employees to learn while they work, providing step-by-step instructions directly within the software that they're using. Number two, use interactive simulations and sandboxes. Create sandbox environments where employees can practice tasks without the risk of making mistakes in live systems. This builds confidence and reinforces learning. Number three, provide continuous learning opportunities. Hands-on training isn't a one-time event. Incorporate micro-learning modules, refresher courses, and on-demand resources to ensure skills stay sharp. Number four, track progress with analytics. Use training analytics to measure engagement, completion rates, and skill proficiency. This helps identify gaps and optimize your training programs. Let's look at how different industries and teams are using hands-on training to drive success. Beginning with sales teams can provide in-app guidance to their sellers that support them in the flow of work, helping them to improve their efficiency and adopt new processes. Call centers can train new agents on ticket resolution workflows in a sandbox environment to let them handle real-world customer issues. Healthcare providers use simulation-based training to help their medical professionals practice routine procedures and adopt basic patient management software workflows. IT teams can create and run test environments to learn new system configurations or security protocols before deploying company-wide. At Whatfix, we make hands-on training seamless and scalable. Our digital adoption platform offers in-app, step-by-step guidance to help employees learn in real time, interactive walkthroughs and task lists to simplify complex workflows, analytics to track user engagement and training effectiveness, sandbox environments with Whatfix Mirror that let employees practice safely without affecting live data. With Whatfix, your employees are empowered to learn by doing. driving faster adoption, better retention, and measurable business outcomes. Hands-on training isn't just about learning. It's about transforming knowledge into action. By giving employees the tools and experiences they need to succeed, you're not only building skills, you're building confidence and driving real results. Software clicks better with Whatfix. Visit our website or schedule a demo today.